guys, back to Jamia's channel.
So today I want to try this trick that I saw from Nailed It by Nikki. I applied some Parker J's Magic Mane Oil, rubbed it into my nails, and then I applied my base gel and cured it for 30 seconds. I decided to do this because I want to be able to pop these nails off when I was done, because y'all know I'm not wearing these nails. I can't function with these. So I just wanted to try out a design that I saw on Instagram. So this was my way of doing it. So I'm just shaping up these tips. I'll make sure I leave everything in the description box. These are some C-curve nails tips that I got from Amazon. So
but no tips allowed.
No tips allowed. Well, I had to use some tips today, y'all. So I applied a really thin clear layer of acrylic to my nails.
And no brushing allowed.
No brushing allowed either, y'all. I'm sorry. So what I did was I applied a really thin layer of clear acrylic to these nails. I am using my no odor monomer, so you'll notice that it's a little bit wetter than I probably would prefer, but I'm getting better at using this no odor monomer. It's really like each one is different to work with. So my favorite one is the one by Nail Supply Glamour, but I have been trying this one out for a few months and I actually really like it too. It comes in a close second. So I'm applying this to my nail bed, and then I'm going to come in with this nude color from JC Beauty Concepts. By the way, all of the acrylics I'm using today are from JC Beauty Concept except for the white. The white is from Nail Supply Glamour. So I am done talking, guys. I'm just going to let you guys watch me work. I am going to insert a picture of my inspiration for these nails. And just let me know what you guys think about these nails. And don't forget to help your girl out. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch all the ads, y'all. Come on, help me get my coins. But anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.